Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be quickly solving this critical error on WordPress website notice. A lot of times you might want to load your website and you found out that your website is unable to load, and this is the message that it displays. So basically in this video, we're going to be showing you what are the step-by-step things that you need to do in order to get rid of this message and then get back your website intact. Alright, so most of the time this issue is actually caused by a faulty plugin which has refused to load, and it has caused a total collapse of the website. So the first thing that you are supposed to do is to first log in into the cPanel of your domain provider. So that is basically the first thing you have to do. Just log in into your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, just go straight to the file manager. The file manager is actually located under the file section, and then this leads you directly into the public.html file. So just click on the public.html. Once you click on the public.html, it takes you directly other files, and then you can see the WP content. Click on the WP content, and then you can see the plugin folder. So once you see the plugin folder, just click on the plugin folder. Immediately you click on the plugin folder, it's going to be highlighted, and then you can go to the rename section. Then click on the rename and then change the name of the plugin folder. You can just add a prefix or a suffix or something like that. Just plugins_deactivate, and then that will actually change the name of the folder, and then it will definitely deactivate all of the plugins that are on that particular website are deactivated. Then the website is going to be able to load back. So let's go back to the front end and then just reload the page of the website, and then we can see that the website going to load, and then you'll be able to access your WordPress website back. You can now attempt to log in back into the website via the back end using your WordPress username and password. Now, once the back end of the website is open like this, just go to your plugins and then go to your installed plugins, and then you'll be able to see that all of the plugins in the website, based on the fact that we have changed the name of the folder, all of the plugins rather, has been deactivated. So right from here, you can now decide to start reactivating each of the plugins. The things you might notice while reactivating is the fact that the website is going to go into its previous mode. The second thing you need to note is the fact that memory limits can be a common cause of critical errors in WordPress websites. Now, WordPress critical errors which are related to memory limits often occur when a site or when a website or a WordPress website has exhausted its allocated PHP memory. Now, this is going to typically manifest also as a fatal error. In order to solve this, what you're going to do is the fact that you're going to log in into your cPanel once more. So once you get into your cPanel, just go straight to your file manager. Once you click on your file manager, just click on the public HTML and then go to the WP config PHP. The WP config PHP is actually a text file. Then right click on the WP config PHP. Once you right click on it, you'll see the view option, then view it, and then it's actually going to open the text file for you. Once you have the text file, just look for the line where it says add any custom values between this line and the stop editing line. Now, once you're able to see this line of text, then under it just put define WP memory limit as 256 M, and this is now going to increase the memory limit which will be available to load your website. All of this that we have described is actually supposed to solve the issues that are related with the critical error message that is displayed on the website. Others include to modify the php.ini file or to update the htaccess file. Thanks guys for watching up to this point. If this is actually able to restore your website, then let us know in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that anytime a new video is dropped, you will actually be notified.